guys, it's Taylor here with MarineMax in Dallas. Today I'm standing on a 2020 255 Scarab. This boat is great for the family, great for water sports, does have a wake ballast system. We'll start in the back here. Has a big swim platform with some storage back there as well. Nice transom walkthrough. This boat will come with 600 horsepower. Coming through the boat, tons of seating right here, snap-in sea deck. Will come with a tower and a kicker sound system. Wakeboard racks on the side as well as tower speakers. Double captain's chairs right here with bolster seating. Giant ski locker there. Moving to the dash, this will be your navigation system, your digital gauges, radio, everything will be right here. This is your wake ballast system for fill and empty. Really easy to use. This boat's going to hold 13 people as well. This boat does come with a head with a bathroom in it. Coming up the front here, tons of seating in the bow, a lot of storage, as well as a ladder off the front of the boat. So if you have any questions or you're interested, please give us a call at 972-436-9979 or visit our website at MarineMax.com.